Now there's 2 steps into surviving in the wild. 2 steps, not 2 rules. 2 actual steps. Now we're doing more than one here, but there's 2 steps, I'm telling you. You have to believe me. Did you hear that? Oh, come look at this. These are one of the most venomous berries in the world. I actually don't know what it is. I've never seen that berry before. Okay.
There's more of them over there.
Oh, stay away from over there. And there. Oh yeah. What did I say there was? What did I say the first step was? Did I not?
No, you just said there's the first step.
Okay, well the second step is always have bright shoes so you can find your mates. Oh, look at that. There's a rock. Look. Wildlife over there, too. Look, they're so stupid, they don't even acknowledge our presence. See how close you can get. Okay. One time, I was doing trail like this and came across one of those bad boys and picked up the nearest rock, chucked it, knocked the bird right out. Or so I thought. Finished my run, bippity boppity boom, come back, bird's dead. Brought it home and ate it for dinner.
Did it taste good?
That's true, it tastes just like chicken. Now if you listen, you can hear the running of presidents everywhere. Donald Trump. Just joking, it's water. My biggest fans always ask me, Collin, why do you always wear a sweater? Truth is, you never know when you're stuck in the desert one day, and you learn to control your body temperature. It's easy to warm up, but it's always hard to cool off. So, to help with that, I always stay hot. See the falls. Well, don't just stand there. Join me. I warn you, it gets really steep here. I wish I would have brought the rope I used to climb Everest with. That would have come in real handy here.
What's up this way?
Oh, you don't want to go down there.
Okay.
Wolves.
Oh, okay.
Careful, you don't want to roll an ankle. What I like to do, it's a big wild steep hit. When you got steep hills like this, if you want to get down quickly, you just run at a tree. Be careful, those roots, they're slippery. Look, see there's a tree down there? Look at that. Just bloody gorgeous. this. Door wedge for giants. That's so they can keep their doors open. You know, giants are friendly and like anybody's seen. We made it. Look, see this little path here? That's how you get to the top. About a year ago, a feller I know, his name's Hayden, fell right in here.
Did he make it?
No, haven't seen him to this day.
Interesting.
I mean, when you see it the length of this river, you'll know why. It's one of the famous Budweiser trees. Budweiser actually grows from these trees. Come on, come get a close look. Budweiser tree. Now, they only grow when there's 2 logs placed on the ground such as this, and there's flowers sprouting right in that specific area. That is the only time you see a Budweiser tree. Only time. I don't know how Budweiser keeps in business. Now, I have found evidence that there is another Budweiser tree lurking about. It's over here. Come on. That is a bottle cap. I know the other one was a can, but the bottle cap trees are way bigger than the can trees. Like I said, I'm so mad at myself I forgot my Mount Everest climbing gear. Look at this. I used to have a dog named Buddy, and he did this all freehand. But he had claws, so. They call it CrossFit climbing. Just found an amazing discovery. One of the best riches of the wild. Come take a look. These are wild Collin berries. I discovered them once on a walk. I don't think anybody's ever tried eating them before. I heard these places, or these berries, are indigenous to Labrador and Sudbury. Those are the only 2 places I know of them. They're delicious. Try one. I call this the blueberry eating scale.
What's that trail there?
Oh, no, you don't want to go there. That's Rampant Baby Trail. You find diapers everywhere because there's just wild babies that change their own diapers out here. They live in the trees. I don't know if you'll see them. They come out at night, so. Look at that. Look at that. You get to see some glorious mines ruining our land. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nothing better than environmental destruction, am I right? That's how you get blueberries. I mean Collin berries. I don't know what blueberries are. We're gonna take you right to the top of the falls. Look at this. That's called the tree trunk mushroom. I think. Yeah, you see, you can tell how old the mushroom is by the rings around it. Let me show you something interesting. Remember a couple minutes ago, I was talking about those wild babies that only come out at night? This is evidence of them. That's right, they poop charcoal. They also, this is how you can also tell it was them, they love dark roast coffee from Tim Hortons. Any hikers that come up with dark roast coffee, they just eat them.
Some better falls this way.
Look at this. The First Nations of the land have created a bridge for us to get to the falls. Tip-top bridge. Pretty much the only way to stay sane in the wild, just ignore the bugs. Bug spray, that's for chumps. Just ignore them. Oh, don't sit there, there's water.
Oh.
Ah. Don't worry, there's a little path this way. Ooh, look at these ones. This is what you put on Christmas trees, right here. Nom, 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 nom. I actually built this post to help you get up. Leap of faith, they call this. 7 people have died. Oh, beautiful spot right there. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? Thank you for tuning in on our hike. We're not going to show you how to get back down because with the tips I taught you, you should be able to do it no problem. Tune in next week for our outback trip to the Rocky Mountains of British Columbia.